Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add frames to your clips in Clipchamp. If you have ever wanted to add creative flair to your videos, this is the perfect way to do it. So let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one video that you want to edit. Here you can find the option of overlay. Now tap on it. Then scroll to your right, and here you can find the option of photos. Now tap on it. Here you can find a lot of frames that you can add to your videos. Now choose one. After choosing the one, tap on to next. Now here you can find the frame has been added to your video like this. Now you can edit the frame however you want to edit it. You can rearrange the position and size of the frame. And that's how you add frames to your videos in Clipchamp. It's an easy way to give your videos a more polished, professional feel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.